Hi guys, my name is Chandan Kumar and I am a website developer and a affiliate marketer. Guys, as per the current scenario, world most of the populations are locked down and we are completely stuck at home. So guys, I'm here to help you how you can utilize your current time and create a professional website at your home easily. I'm going to use a builder tools which will help you to create and manage the website easily. Apart from this, guys, I will help you with this builder tools. I will help with the sum of the subscribers with this builder tools. So guys, make sure you watch the video till the end so you can know how you can get this builder tool from my side. So let's begin. I'm moving to my computer screen so I can show you how you can start creating your website. Let's move on. Guys, before we start, you will find a link start here below the video. Just click on the link. It will take you to the new page. Here you can see the 5 steps to create a website. Okay, and I will guide you each step one by one, and we will complete this process. So let's start with the first step. In the first step, we will check for our domain availability here. The domain, the business name and the website name we want for our website. As I'm searching for my domain here, just click on the check now. Yes, my domain is available. Again, in the next step, I will scroll down. Okay, in the second step, we will buy the domain and the hosting. Domain is the name of your website. Okay, and the hosting where the your website files and the database will be kept on the internet. So to buy the domain and hosting, click on the get your domain and hosting now. It will take you to the SiteGround hosting. Guys, SiteGround is one of the most demanding and most powerful hosting provider in the world. As you can see, more than 20 lakh domain and the website is already hosted on their server. Scroll down. Here we have three options to buy. We will buy the starter plan, but the guys with the starter plan we have limitation to buy to host only one website here. If you are planning to host more than one website in the coming 1 and 2 months, so I would recommend you to go with the Growing plan. Here I will go with the starter plan. Click on the get plan. It will take you to this page. Here just write down your domain name. Just we search. Guys, if you have already purchased the domain, just select the second option here and write your domain here, domain name here, and click on the proceed now. Next we have to fill all the information. Fill your card detail. Guys, I'm just filling for the demo purpose as I have already purchased this hosting. I have three hosting account. Now guys, once you will scroll down, you can see here the price is total amount is mentioned as 63.35 USD. Guys, this is the total cost for 1 year hosting and the 1 year domain price. This is the price for 1 year hosting and the domain. In the Indian currency, it will cost you near about 4500. Okay, just mark on the check mark on this checkbox. Click on the pay now. After clicking on the pay now, it will take you to the confirmation page, the thank you page, where it's mentioned the thank you for purchasing SiteGround hosting services, right? Now, after purchasing the domain and hosting, we will scroll down to the third step. In the third step, we will install the WordPress. As you know, WordPress is one of the most demanding CMS tools, and this is used to create a website and the blog. To install the WordPress, again we will log in our SiteGround account. Click on the login. After login to the SiteGround, just click on the website here and click on the again the site tools here parallel to your domain. Guys, this is your cPanel from where you can manage your website files, database, email, SSL certificate and all these. Now scroll down, you will find a install and manage WordPress option here. Just click on the install and manage WordPress option. Guys, here you will find the two options. One is WordPress with the WooCommerce and one is WordPress. The person who want to create a website for their e-commerce business can click on this, choose the WordPress and WooCommerce option. I will go with the WordPress. Now here your domain is already selected. Just fill your admin information here. Click on the install. Now click on the admin panel here. It will take you to the WordPress admin dashboard. Guys, this is the dashboard. You will manage all your website pages and the post. Now the WordPress has been installed successfully. Now after installing the WordPress, we will move to the next step. In the first step, we will install the theme here and import the layout design page for our website. For installing the theme, we will move to our admin dashboard, and under the appearance you will find a theme option. Just click on the themes. Again click on the add new. Again click on the upload theme. Here I will choose the theme. Guys, here I am going to use the DB theme. DB is one of the most demanding theme, and with the great features. I will install the theme here. Now the theme has been installed. Just click on the activate to activate the theme. Now we will create the page for our website. Just go for the pages and click on the add new. Just write the title of the page, that is home. Now click on the use DB builder here. It will take you to this page. Just click on the second option, choose pre-made layout. Guys, you can see more than 1000 layouts are already available here, pre-made layouts. Just click on any of the layouts you want for your website. Suppose I am creating a website for any digital marketing agency. I will click on the digital marketing layouts here. Just click on the digital marketing layout pack. Here guys, you will find 8 layout design pages, 8 layouts for all the pages of your website, like about us, career, contact us, services, portfolio. Now for the home page, I will click on the home page or the landing page, any of this. I will go with the landing page option and click on the use this layout. See, within a minute, your website homepage layout will be imported. Now you can see your website homepage layout design is ready. Just you can check the complete page here. One video section is there. In the same way, you can create all the required pages for your website one by one. Okay, so guys, in the next step, I will guide you how you can edit all these pages easily at your end. In the last step, the fifth step, I will guide you how you can edit and update your website and the website contents. Okay, again we will move to the home page of our website we have just created. At the top of the page, you will find a enable visual builder. Just click on the enable visual builder. Now your website is enabled for the edit. To make the changes on the any of the sections, just double click here and write your content. Just I am adding the another text here, and again I am updating here. After making the changes on the text and the content, click on this three dot option and click on the save. Now your content has been updated successfully. You can also update the content like this. Here, once you will hover on the any of the section, you will find a module settings. Just click on the module setting option. It will open a new text setting window from where you can edit and update your contents. Here you can change the size also, or you can make your text bolder. You can change the color as well. Okay, so guys, now this way you can update your website pages easily from the front end. In the same way, you can update image also. Just click on the image settings option and click on the settings here and select any another images from the media library and click on the upload an image and click on the save here. Like this, you can edit and update all your website section and the pages. Now you just need to create all the pages you required for your website and follow the same to import the page and edit the page. And at the end, after making all the changes, just click on the save button here so that the changes start reflecting at the front end. Now, after creating all the pages and updating the content of all the pages, you are ready to move and you are ready to launch off your website. You can launch your website now. Just update all the content and the images for your website and make it live. Thank you. I hope you like the video. So guys, now you can create any kind of website and any for any kind of business, right? As I shown you, there are a lot of pre-built layouts are available in the builder. So you can create any of the, you can import any of the pages from there. Okay. So guys, as I promised at the starting of the video, I will share you the builder tool to some of my subscribers. So guys, to get this builder tool from my side, this is $249 builder tools. You need to do one thing. You just need to buy it hosting from the SiteGround. The link is given below. Just buy the hosting from the SiteGround and share the invoice with me on my email ID. The email ID is also given on the description. Once you will share the invoice, I will share you the that builder tools on your email ID instantly. Right? So guys, hope you like the video and subscribe my channel. Those who are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and do write the comment what kind of next video you want from my side. So I will create a content for you. Okay. Thanks for watching the video once again. Bye. Take care. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.